In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency for a group in Splitwise. This is really useful if you're traveling, moving to a new country, or just splitting expenses with friends who use a different currency. I'll walk you through the process step by step on the Splitwise website, and you can follow along on your own screen. First, open Splitwise in your browser and sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're on your dashboard, look for the list of your groups on the left-hand side. These might be things like trip, housemates, or friends. Click on the group where you want to work with the currency. This will open that group's main page where you can see all the shared expenses and balances. Next, within that group, choose any existing expense by clicking on it. It can be any expense at all. The important thing is that it opens the expense details panel. This is where you'll find the option to adjust the currency used for that specific item. When the expense details appear, look for the option to edit it. This is usually labeled Edit Expense. Go ahead and click that. Now you're in the Edit view, where you can change things like the amount, description, who paid, and how it's split. On this edit screen, focus on the amount field. Right next to the number, you'll see the currency sign or code, such as a $sign or a 3-letter currency code. Click directly on that currency sign. This will open a menu or list of available currencies supported by Splitwise. From the list, scroll or type to find the currency you want to use. For example, you might switch from dollars to euros or another local currency. Click on the currency you want and you'll see it applied to the expense amount. Take a moment to double check that you picked the correct one, especially if similar codes appear. Once you're happy with the new currency selection, move down to the bottom of the edit window and click on Save. This will save your changes and update that expense to use the new currency. And that's it. You've successfully changed the currency for an expense in your Splitwise group. You can repeat these same steps for other expenses as needed, keeping everything consistent and easier to understand for everyone in the group.